In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the service provider section in simplybook.me. This can be particularly useful if you want to streamline the booking process for your clients by simplifying the choices they have to make. Whether you're managing bookings for a sole practitioner or just want to make things look a little cleaner, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Simply Book admin panel. This is your main hub where you control and customize all aspects of your booking services. Make sure to use your admin credentials to get access to the panel. Once you're logged in, look for the Manage section. This is where most of your administrative tasks will take place. It's located on the sidebar, so navigate there and then click on Services. This area allows you to oversee and make any necessary adjustments to the services you offer. Now that you're in the services section, you want to identify which service you would like to edit. Just find it on the list and click on it to make adjustments. If you manage multiple services, you can use the search or filter options to quickly locate the one you need. Once you've selected the service that you intend to modify, it's time to focus on the Assign Providers area. This is a crucial step because this is where you'll actually hide the provider section on your booking page. To achieve our goal, ensure that only one provider is assigned to the service you are adjusting. Simplybook.me is designed to automatically remove the provider section from the customer-facing booking page when there's only a single provider associated with a service. This functionality is perfect for solo business owners or businesses that need to simplify the booking interface for particular services. So look through your list of available providers and make sure only one is ticked. After selecting just one provider for your service, don't forget to save your changes. The Save button is typically located at the bottom of the page or in a highlighted area, inviting you to finalize your modifications. By doing this, you ensure that all your adjustments are stored and will be applied to the customer booking process moving forward. As a helpful tip, remember that when there is only one provider assigned, the provider section won't appear on the booking page at all. This makes the booking experience much smoother for your clients as they won't be bombarded with unnecessary options. It contributes to a cleaner interface and allows customers to focus solely on selecting the right service rather than pondering over which provider to choose. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the service provider section in simplybook.me, creating a more seamless experience for your clients. Thank you for following along and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or feedback. Happy booking!